Can you show me what you're doing? What you doing? What's going on today? How you doing with that? Which way? Oh, you're gonna go that way. Whose shoe do you have on?
Yeah.
Whose shoe is that? Whose shoe? Can you put Daddy's shoe back on? Let's see you walk. You've been doing it for like an hour. Go ahead. Nice. Do you like wearing Daddy's shoe? Huh?